Hello there, future accountants. I am Reema Dominic. I am from Professional Accounting and Finance Department. So here I am with a video about why are we learning financial accounting. When I was a student, I used to think, why are we learning all the subjects? Will this be useful in our future like that? I am sure you guys will be thinking like this way too. Why are we learning this financial accounting? So here I am with the answer for that doubt. Accounting is a subject which can be applied in our daily life. Many of the decisions we make in our daily life is based on many accounting concepts we learn. For example, we can say many of our personal financial decisions like, should I borrow money for education? When should I buy a house? Or renting a house is a good decision? I'm going to start a family. Do I need to buy a life insurance? Savings for retirements, etc. etc. All this involves projecting your future financials, budgeting your personal money like that. By learning accounting, you will learn to do your spending in a planned way, so that you are not surprised by your own credit card bill at the end of a month. All the ideas and concepts we learn in accounting is not only important for your career, but also for managing your personal finance too. So let's look into a video telling that how an accountant is important for a firm.
Accounting is cooler than you think. It's way more important too. And here's why. Let's say you work for a company that makes ballpoint pens. You guys are good at making pens and you're turning a profit. Now, let's say you're in a meeting and someone asks, hey, shouldn't we make markers too? Well, your factory can produce them and your marketing team can sell them. But should you make them? Or should you just keep making pens? Everyone turns to the boss. And the boss, if he's smart, will turn to the accountant. Yep, the accountant. At this point, the accountant might just be the smartest person in the room, and certainly the most important. The accountant will talk with key partners, like the marketing, sales, manufacturing, and finance teams, to determine fixed and variable costs, market size, and potential revenue. She'll build a pro forma income statement to forecast profits and to determine how long it will take to recoup the initial investment. And she'll consider the impacts on the balance sheet that investors use to assess the financial health of your company. Assuming it all looks good, she'll determine that making markers is a sound decision, and then she will tell the boss, very clearly and concisely, to go forth and conquer. It's time to celebrate. You guys are making markers because making markers makes sense, and dollars. Accountants are experts at analyzing complex financial data, making heads and tails of it, and helping business leaders make smart investment decisions based on what the financial data says. It's why accounting is the language of business, and why knowing it can help you become a bigger asset for your company. Ready to add deep accounting knowledge to your bag of tricks? Start here.
Accounting is actually cooler than you think. It's way more important. Here is why. Let's say you work in a company making ballpoint pens and the company is making good amount of profit. One of the employee is suggesting that why don't we start making markers too? Company have the potential to produce them and marketing team can sell them very efficiently. Everyone is turning towards the boss, but the boss is turning towards the accountant. Yup, the accountant. Accountant might just be the smartest person in the room, certainly the most important one. Accountant will talk to all key partners like marketing, sales, manufacturing and finance team to determine the cost, market size and potential revenue, and she will forecast the cost, profits and determine how long it will take to recoup the initial investment, and also looks into the impact on balance sheet which reflects the financial health of a company. Assuming it all looks good, she'll inform the boss that the making markers is a good decision. Accountants are the key personals of a company which helps the company to reap a good amount of profits. They are the experts at analyzing complex financial data and helping business leaders to make wise investment decisions. It's why accounting is known as the language of the business. By knowing the language, you can become a bigger asset for your company. So this is all about financial accounting, the initial introduction about financial accounting. Thank you all. Thank you.